Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Hansejlbinson Marwin bat ka Marqueenless ramsit kila khurjing job hagjing kop mare jong ka 7 Shillong 10k run arjar arpun rio ke belpendong da Meghalaya State Olympic Association hak step jong ka arpun new trik jelio arjar arpun rio ya kanil pendong kum shibenta ban rakhe ke International Olympic Day ban kin mawi ka jingseng ya ke International Olympic Committee ke belaseng haus namshir praspa kanai pusau Hansejlbinson ulala ban tam hagaliang kishenrang hagbala bud ya kekerdan baad unong job jong snam arajar pusau one bok el mau plang but ya kekerdan balai la job de u junom pawa hagaliang jong ki kenthai la job da ka Marqueenless hagakedan baad mta usnam kade ka jidalin pasil tempun katba kamarian tempun kalalong ka balai ya kani ka jinga mare la play da kirangi le kai barim bapaunam jong kari India kata uba bending star lingkhoi but uba daman singkon hagjinan langru working president ke MSOA uba John F Kharshing but general secretary uba finally L Pariat
Okay, so 2 water point, one at the Moscow, one at Pine Wood Center near Watts Lake. So we wish you all the best, and for information also, the Sara Marathon will be held on the 4th of September. So we won't take too much registration, maximum is 11,000. So
we are also thankful to the Shillong Sports Association for allowing us to use their premises for the starting and the finishing point. I would request Finally also to kindly update them also again.
We flag at the same time, so please walk first so there will be no stampede. We don't want any incidents. So all the best, all the runners. Hope to see all of you in the finishing line. So I request Badamang and to kindly hold the flag. So 1, 2.
Number 3 is Marqueenless. Second is one box L mau plang. One box L mau plang. Next, Nina Mary Walang. Nina Mary Walang. Next, Beltina Pungro. And then now, for the second prize, I would like to request Jigalin Tampuin to kindly come forward and receive your prize. Next is Mary Queen Kale, is Junam Pawa. Third is Junam Pawa. Fourth is Sting Pawa. Fourth is Sting Pawa.
There will be no problem later on. So kindly